Hey, what's up, everybody? Now, hopefully, everybody's having a great time. It's your boy Yashve Gaming, and welcome back, guys, to my channel. So, have you ever facing this issue, okay, where Microsoft OneDrive, okay, is currently syncing all of your files on your desktop, in your folders, documents, downloads, and eventually, guys, it will say that, as you can see, it is currently uploading over 48 gigabytes of files and 14 files remaining. And I get this: you don't have enough free spaces in your OneDrive. Get more storage. Okay, so I don't want that. Okay, I don't want OneDrive to keep uploading each of my files. Okay, maybe when I was updating the Windows or fresh install the Windows 10, I had turned on that to sync all my files to OneDrive. Okay, so yeah, basically that was a mistake. All right, so today I'm gonna show you how you can easily fix that. So first of all, you're gonna right click here, and let's say you're gonna pause. Okay, you're gonna pause the syncing for 24 hours. All right, next what you're gonna do, you're gonna right click again, and you're gonna close OneDrive completely. Okay, as this will close the OneDrive, but it will not uninstall OneDrive completely from your Windows 10. Okay, so to do that, all you gotta do is to press the start button here, and here all you gotta do is to type programs. Okay, and as soon as you write programs, you should be able to find this add or remove programs. So just click on that and scroll down. Okay, and here you should be able to find Microsoft this one. Okay, Microsoft OneDrive. Okay, and just click on it and select uninstall. Alright, so this is gonna probably take a few minutes, and it should be gone, guys. Once you should be able to notice that. And as you can see here, I get a user account control, so I'm gonna hit yes. Okay, you're gonna want to accept that notification from the user account control panel, and then it's gonna process the uninstalling. Okay, and after you have uninstalled it, please restart your Windows 10 for the changes to take place. But to see if whether OneDrive has been permanently erased from your Windows 10 or not. Okay, do a full restart. All right, so I click this and shut down or restart. Okay. Alright, guys, so I hope this tutorial was helpful. Definitely give this video a thumbs up. This is your boy Yashve Gaming, and I'm signing out. Bye bye.